Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this week's lessons on computer. My name is Umar Abubakar. I'll be your teacher for today, and our topic for today is the internet environment. What is the internet environment? We can define the internet environment as all things and activities that makes it possible for us to connect to the internet. That is, the things that gives us access to the internet. We have two most important components of the internet. One, the protocol. Two, the hardware. What is the Internet Protocol? IP. The Internet Protocol is a set of rules governing the format of data sent over the internet by routing the data to the appropriate destination, that is, the address. Our second most important item is the hardware. What is an hardware? The hardware is the physical components of your device. The casing, the body, the cables, etc. In the internet environment, we also have a server, that is the computer that stores information that you want to access. We have the router, which is a networking device that forwards data package between computers, that is, it serves as a traffic controller. We have the network switch, which is a hardware that connects devices on a computer network by using packet transfer system. Okay, we have talked about the hardware. How do we connect to the internet? We use a software called the browser. We use it to connect to the internet. We also have applications that will connect you directly to the internet in your mobile phones. The browser is your gateway to having access to the World Wide Web, that is, the internet service. The World Wide Web is an information system that allows documents to be connected to another document using a hypertext links over the internet. That is, it allows computers to share information and resources. Each website on the internet is hosted by a server, and the servers have an IP address, that is, the address used in locating a particular website. Types of internet browsers. We have the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, the Mozilla Firefox, the Opera, and we also have Opera Mini that is customized for mobile phones, the UC browser, we have Avast, Slimjet, Konqueror, to mention just a few. Characteristics of browsers. 1. The address bar, where you type in address or your search question. 2. The tab indicator, showing how many pages you have opened on the internet. 3. The plugins or extensions. Those are add-ons that help your browser to perform optimally. The scroll bar, this allows you to move up and down a particular web page. The minimum stroke maximum button, which allow you to reduce or increase the size of your web page. Uses of the internet. What do we use internet for? We use the internet for browsing, web surfing, and searches. Emails and text messages. Social media usage such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. We also update our softwares over the internet. That is, if an application is becoming obsolete, you can update it over the internet. While on the internet, you should try and observe the followings. 1. Never give out your personal information, no matter what. 2. Observe the profile of the person you are chatting or dealing with on the internet. If you are to have personal contact with somebody you met on the internet, make sure the place is a public place with adequate security. 4. Always tell your relatives about your dealings on the internet. Read and understand articles before you append your name to it. You can request a video call to see the person you are dealing with if the person is far away or in abroad. Always be brief and direct to the point in your replies. Take caution and be smart in your dealings, because some people are on the internet to defraud others. You can join groups that are not against your social upbringing, your religious faith, as well as your morals. Check the website you visit, because some are set up to steal your data. Always make sure you visit the website that have a locked padlock on the address bar. This is to avoid viruses and malware, which could destroy your computer system or your handsets. Do not visit adult sites or any sites that you are suspicious about, because any site you visit, the record will be there on the internet for life. Your record will be there for life. Be careful.